everyone, this is Carl speaking. Now behind me, this is a customized product. You can look at this small tree. And there is space between the trees. This is we customized for another customer. Actually, we don't know why he uses this design, but we can customize it. And this is satisfied that customer.